Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends and I'm here with Juliet.
And we're at Pipers Heights.
We are,
and we've sneaked away.
We've had a sneaky weekend away. Alfie's back with his mum, so we've decided we're going to come away and have a bit of a break to ourselves. And today at Pipers Heights is a caravan touring site, and it's quite a nice site actually. We've never been here before, and I'll be honest, it's sort of in between
Lytham and Blackpool.
Lytham and Blackpool, yeah. So it's a lovely weekend as well. We've chosen well, so we'll show you around the site a little bit later on. But today we're going to go into Lytham. So
Phil's going to treat me for lunch, aren't you, love?
Am I treating you for lunch?
Yeah, you are.
Oh God, my wallet's getting a dent, everybody.
Yeah.
Right. So see you later. Bye bye.
Bye for now.
Well everyone, that was our little trip to not Lytham, but Lytham St Anne's. Slightly different place, but very close to each other. So the seaside really, I suppose. Lytham's a bit more inland. So we enjoyed it, and Juliet's going to tell you how much she enjoyed it.
I am, because I went past a shop and I went, oh, I like that. And I made him buy it me. I got a new handbag.
Yes, we bought a new handbag, and Juliet's very thrilled with it, as you can see. My wallet's not very thrilled, but there you go. But it was very nice. I hope you've liked this little video, and I hope you liked the little Piper Heights review that we've added to it. We like this site. It's a really good site. We're very well impressed. It's not one of the cheapest, but at the same token, it is really spotlessly clean, and it's very quiet.
Very spacious, the pictures.
Yep,
you'll see.
They're very generous pictures, I'm sure you've just seen. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you bob by soon. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe there, and hit the bell button if you've already subscribed to get our regular updates. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.